My name is Destiny Marquez and I am a senior in high school at Entrepreneur. The externship program at this school allows us to find a job that could help us improve our skills, like communication skills, and be able to get a job to work outside. And I feel like it helps students be prepared for the after high school of getting a job, working, having experience, and knowing exactly or an idea of what to do.
Hi, my name is Vanessa and I'm the CEO of the Black and Brown Opportunities for Profit Center, or the Bebop Center for short. And we're an economic hub designed to help women of color entrepreneurs build, grow, and scale investable businesses. We are located here in the city of San Bernardino, and our goal is to help these women entrepreneurs really build investable businesses. So we're very, very excited to be partnering with Entrepreneurship High because they are bringing in interns that can help support the mission of what we're doing here at the Bebop Center. But not only that, it's such a mutually beneficial partnership because now we are also not just investing in adults, but we're investing in the next generation of workforce. We just love this opportunity. We're so grateful that we get to partner with other organizations that are investing in entrepreneurs, investing in the future of workforce, investing in the Inland Empire, and together we know that we can truly make a difference for our communities. So we're excited, we're grateful, we're thankful. We love this experience so far. It's been such a smooth experience working with Nathan and the team at Entrepreneurship High and really just helping to find students that are gonna align with the work that we're doing and help support our mission, and at the same time invest in them and provide them not only with job skills training and hands-on support, but mentorship to help make sure that they themselves have a brighter future.